So with a big thanks to this guy, he started moving. Moody's Mechanical. We've got ourselves a clutch. So this lad's getting on. GoPro went flat. Good organisation. Anyway, this guy, he's getting a sticker on the car. Rear window, I think. Don't you want? And he's just sorting this gearbox out. New seals, new clutch is going in. Lawson's getting the welder ready for the flywheel. And these don't look as hot as what we were running before. So, new sponsor. Thanks, Moody. Aaron, his name is. Hit him up. He's a mechanic out Exeter way. These things are a bit fancy. And we've got upgrades. So this clutch is now rated to 1800 Newton meters, which is a lot, in my opinion. So I think we'll be pretty right, Dan. You'll be able to clutch kick this thing confidently. Right, we don't get this clutch in. What have we got here? A new clutch again. So it turns out, well, anyway, you get the idea. A couple new plates. We started putting the clutch in. Clutch was wrong. Clutch was the wrong one. Wrong part number by like 1 digit. These ones FDO1, 2E. Well, there was a 2EX or 2EXC or pfft. Anyway, still for a Ford. The spline was still the same, but the thickness was wrong, which was why our clutch distance wasn't working. I'm just glad, honestly, it got picked up on and we didn't put the gearbox in, so I don't really care. My bad. So this is going to go in. Then we'll go to the dyno and punch out a figure and we'll be ready for the drift, which is this coming weekend. If you're watching this video on the day I uploaded, Friday, roughly the 21st of July, drift is tomorrow, Saturday at Simmons Plains. Get there, come say good day, come buy some merch, razz me enough, come sit in the car. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in. Good vibes, we'll make it happen. Gearbox is in, all's in and down, Lawson. Oh yeah, all the air bubbles and up and down. Clutch is going good. Stand up. Oh, you're doing it? Just check the fluid for us, champ. Also, got gloves. Got gloves. Moody hooked us up with gloves.
Clean hands, thanks Moody.
Because, yeah, we're just sick of cleaning hands, man. Nothing worse. What are you doing?
Washing my hands, mate.
This could be a t-shirt, you know, or a sticker.
You should get a Bobby slash Sam t-shirt. At least I've got clean hands.
I might not do much work, but I'll have clean fingers. Clutch has bled, he says feels pretty good. Oh, he's already got off the hoist, so it's a non-issue. And I guess all that's left to do is to check that it doesn't slip. Ooh, easy.
Calm down.
Oh. Easy. And it's not driving forwards. So we've done something right. Oh wow, that feels like it's doing nothing. It's in gear. Happy? That works. It works. Excellent. Wow, it smoked really quickly. Oh, I'm happy. New coilovers, new clutch, new attitude. Let's get a tune on it. No, I've been throwing a lot of penny content, drift car prep, all that at you guys for video content. I guess I've been thrashing on this thing to get it going. It's sort of good I started because otherwise I wouldn't be ready for the next drift event, which is like a couple weekends away. So I will bring something new to you, but for the time being, this is what I have time for and I do want it going again. So it's had a fair bit of love. This is the most maintenance we've ever had to give the thing. If you are liking it, thank you. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, share it around, it all helps. Otherwise, hang around, stick in there. I do have more stuff coming. I've got a prop for the boat that a legend, one of your subscribers sent in. Need to do the burn barrel again. I've got plenty of things I can do. Time is hard. We are back on the dyno seat. All things going well. We should see a 400 kilowatt number plus, 400 and something. This will be the 400 run, 404, maybe. Oh, I was close to.
400, no.
I was close. We're making progress.
That's better boost line.
Look at the boost on it now. That's what we like. Look at that. Righto. 434 kilowatts. Then we'll call it a day. Yes, please. We tightened it up nicely, Ray.
Yep.
Very good. Yeah, feeling's pretty good. A little bit rich there again. Happy with that. Just a good runner. Just editing the video and I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty stoked with the outcome. The fresh turbo's doing its job from Pulsar, the new pistons and rods that I put in. Yeah, the clutch is holding up, which we expected it should do that, sure. But like that's fitted. The car's now got new coilovers that I didn't really show you, but they're fresh. BC Racing coilovers that I got in it. So heaps of changes from round 1 to round 2. Pretty keen to see what it feels like with all the changes this weekend at the track, if it's noticeable, if it's been worth it. I've been working on this thing pretty hard, that's for sure. So I'm pumped it's holding together. It's pretty well the same power as what we had before. The turbo was a lot bigger on the old setup. So the same power of boost, I found an old dyno graph. It's 17 PSI, which it has now, and it was before. It was making 461, I think it was. And that pull just there, the last one I'll show you, is 438. So yeah, these a little less power, but I'm okay with that. We're talking like 20 kilowatts, but I'm making like 8 pounder boost at $3,000 roughly. Whereas the old setup was making 4 pounder boost. So that should be the difference there for lag and spool time. And if it makes a difference to the track, we'll find out. I don't think that's really been my issue for struggling to drift. But I'm getting better at it, so I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hit subscribe if you love it. I appreciate it heaps. See you on the next one.